Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to separate vocals from any songs or audio for free, just using an AI tool called DreamFace. This is super useful if you want to make karaoke tracks, remix songs, or just study clean vocals. And the best part, you can do it right from your phone without paying anything. First, just open the DreamFace, and if you don't have it yet, just open the Play Store and then just download it and then install it. And once installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace will give you a free weekly credits so you can try out this feature without spending a cent. Next, after logging in, just tap on Voice Studio. And here you will find a different AI audio tools. But for this tutorial, just choose vocal separations. And then now you have three options. You can import an audio files directly from your phone, or you can record your voice or audio live with the microphones directly in the app, and then or just simply paste or upload a link to a video that you want to separate. And in this tutorial, I will just choose import method. I will just import the audio file from my device. I will just tap on it. And once your file is uploaded, just choose the part that you want to preserve. You can choose a vocal or the background sounds or the instrumental track. And in this tutorial, I will choose vocal. Once you're done, just hit animate. And okay, like this, cause since I choose the preserve vocal options and the result become like this, I think the result is pretty good. There's still a little bit of the instrumental sound left in the background, but overall the vocal separations works really well for a free tool. And okay, that's it. Super quick, super easy. With the DreamFace, you can separate vocals for free in just a few taps. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!